I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the phone clip and duplicating the layer. This protects the original. Once done, position a tracking point on a high-contrast area of the screen, corner, or sticker works best. In the tracker panel, choose Point Tracking, set the search region larger than the feature, and run forwards. Make sure to watch the track frame by frame. If it slips, stop and adjust the feature or refine the search box size before continuing. This prevents drift later. Once the initial track is solid, add a second point to capture rotation and scale. This keeps perspective accurate. You then export tracking data to a null object and parent your replacement screen to that null. That way, transforms follow the original. If the phone rotates in 3D, apply corner pin or mesh warp to the replacement layer and animate minor corrections. Make sure to toggle motion blur and check final alignment over moving shots so edges remain glued to the frame. You finish by precomposing the screen replacement and rendering a short test clip. This reveals jitter, seams, or color mismatch. If you see drift, retrace the tracker with a different feature or insert manual keyframes at problem frames to correct position, rotation, or scale. For heavy motion, apply temporal smoothing, reduce shutter angle, or sample frames to stabilize. Finally, match color and grain to blend the screen, render full sequence, and review at full resolution. One final pass catches hidden artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.